Ini udah mulai. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Uh, we are here to present our English assessments, which include members. One, Ananda Ekasakti, name 4. Anton Budiono, name 36. Robi Kumara Putra, name 6. And last, Motawakil Mohamad, name 38. I present the proposed power plants steps from wind power. Step 1. Wind turns the blades of hog turbines. Step 2. Turbines spin generators to create electricity. And step 3. A transformer increases the voltage. And last, step 4. Electricity is delivered via distribution lines. The amount of wind electricity generation has grown significantly. The amount of wind electricity generation has grown significantly in the past 30 years. Advances in wind energy technology have decreased the cost of producing electricity from wind, and government and other incentives in the United States and in other countries have encouraged growth in wind power. Generating process. First, the wind will spin the turbine blades. Then this turbine blade will turn a generator. Then produce electricity. Completely, a wind power plant can consist of one wind turbine or several wind turbines whose electrical forces are combined and distributed to a single power supply unit. The electric force is then transmitted through the transfusion cable and distributed to homes, offices, schools, and other buildings.
I will continue and Mas Robi. Combines of wind power generation. Generator, which is a company that functions the convert mechanical energy turbine movement in electrical energy place of company known as lift of part that will rot and lift when opposite the wind movement. Rotor, which is the part that will move together with the blade controller, which is part of the engine controller that will operate if the wind speed is 8 and 115 MP to mph to 55 mph. Gearbox, which connect the high speed shaft and low speed shaft within the for increasing the turbine ration power from 64 for 50 rpm to
From 1000.
from 1000 uh, 1800 rpm. Nacelle, which the part on the top surface of the gearbox that serves to cover it, manometer, which is all the motor wind speed, and fixture, generator, and rotor. Next, advantage of wind energy or hydropower. And number 1, renewable energy sources. Wind is one of renewable energies of will never run out like oil. That why wind is said to renewable energy. And number two, no emission wind energy that is environmentally friendly and does not cause emission. These emissions are rectangles and cause acute rain or greenhouse gas. Number three, environmentally friendly. One of the advantages of using the energy is that it is environmentally friendly but not polluting the surrounding environment. And number five, use of familiar space the energy context of meters from the function of the wind turbine with a similar spike. The remaining spike can be used for other purposes such as agriculture.
So I want to continue to weakness of wide energy hydropower. Number one, however, it take a fairly high cost to build base, and of course, all that request a transmission with a fairly high cost. Number two, high maintenance price. In addition to the construction of hydropower plant that request high cost, the main the maintenance costs of wind turbines are also very high. Why is that? Because wind turbines have several parts that often break down over time. The last is the free to animals life, free flying birds, both in group and individual, are more likely to be hit by wind turbines. Maybe it's enough about hydropower. Thanks. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.